Alright guys, taking a break from the discs and pads video and trying to work out why these blowers aren't blowing hot. Now with fault finding, if you know how something works, you're going to know why it's not working. So first thing you need to do is work out how the system works. Which leads us to our first check, which is coolant levels. Coolant levels are totally fine. And then this coolant works its way through a hose in through a control valve that's actually controlled by this. This is connected to an actuator that's connected to a cable that opens and closes a valve in the engine bay. On a lot of cars, and especially early Fords, these control valves would seize. So you'd have it blowing cold all summer, then you could put on the hot for the winter, but the valve would seize and you wouldn't get hot air. That valve is just for here. And with this arm here, you can see that valve is actually moving as it should. So that's not our issue. And then if you look at the cable, that's actually seized. And the customer is doing this, is not actually making any difference whatsoever to that valve. Leave it run for a little bit longer just to make sure those blowers are getting hot with that valve open. Right, so I took it for a nice long drive, get the engine nice and hot, blower still didn't blow hot.